Hi, I'm Erica from FarmSteady, and today I'm going to show you how to make one of the easiest and most delicious fermentations, lacto-fermented red onions. If you love onions, but think raw red onions are a little bit too harsh, this recipe is definitely for you. When you ferment your onions, you're really bringing out all of that delicious onion sweetness and mellowing out the harshness. Plus, it adds this tangy, umami flavor that we can't get enough of. We treat these as a condiment. We always have a jar in the fridge, and we put it on sandwiches, burgers, pretty much everything. And if you want to learn how to ferment even more vegetables, please subscribe to this channel. We'll keep these videos coming. Now let's get started with this 2-ingredient ferment. For this recipe, you'll need 1.5 tablespoons salt, 1 pound of red onions. Remove the ends of your onion. Peel and then thinly slice. You'll want a full pound of onions. These 3 were really large. If you're using something smaller, you might need 4. Have and thinly slice all your onions. Keep going. And done. And now just break them up. In a large bowl, add all your onions, all in there. Add your salt and get massaging. You want to mix it all up. Massage, massage, massage. This will cause the onions to sweat and start releasing their liquid. Transfer your onions into your fermentation jar. Some might escape. There you go. Clean those up. Add your fermentation weight and add a ½ cup of water. Check on the liquid level the next day, and if it's low, top with additional water. Add your lid and your airlock and ferment away. After 5 days, you'll want to start tasting your onions. If they have the right amount of sweetness and tang for your taste, move them to the refrigerator and they're ready to use. For more great recipes for kraut, kimchi, kombucha, tepache, and more, please check out FarmSteady.com and like and subscribe to this channel, and we'll keep the fermentation videos coming. Bye.